Hey, this is Mark with a new feature update. So tool scheduling. So when guys come on jobs, so they come into a job, they've got their job card, and they know that next time they come or another time that they come, they're going to need a specific tool. So when they come in, they can come in here, request a tool. We'll either search from the database or you can just add in a specific tool, and then you can request this for the next visit. So automatically this will request this for the next visit. You can request this for all future visits. So if you know that you're always going to need this tool, you can add this, or you can come to a custom date, and when you click in, it will show you all the different visits that you've got coming up for this job, so you can then select when you want that tool for it. Then when the guys come in for the day and they start their day, automatically when they see a list of the jobs that they've got, and each one of these where it says a tool sign, they can then open up and see what tool they need to start for that day. So here it's got a van allocated, but it could be a ladder, it could be anything. And this way they can always see what tools they need before they start their day for each individual job, so that they know that they've got everything that they need on the van.